Imagine an AI that thinks for itself. It searches, verifies, and delivers perfect answers, not in seconds, but with deep precision. Now, imagine this power in a device designed to replace your smartphone entirely. That future is closer than you might think. And today, we're diving into it all. OpenAI has just unveiled something groundbreaking. It's called Deep Research, and it's extraordinary. Unlike regular chatbots, this one takes steps. It hunts through hundreds of sources online. It checks, compares, and cross-references data points. The result is a professional, citation-backed report. Think of it as an elite digital analyst. Most AI tools give quick, surface-level replies. Deep research builds something more valuable: thorough insight. It's like having a world-class researcher available instantly. You can leave it running in the background. While you work, it quietly gathers facts. When it's finished, you get detailed documents. Perfect for academic work, business strategy, or presentations. Need an analysis of electric commuter bikes? Want a full comparison of streaming platforms? Curious about the history of NFL kickers? Deep research doesn't just answer, it fully explains. Every claim comes backed by verifiable, cited sources. That's what sets it apart from everything else. At its core is the new O3 model. This model is optimized for reasoning and browsing. It's trained on real-world, multi-step research tasks. It knows how to pivot when needed. It can even run Python to process numbers. Charts, graphs, and visualizations are within its reach. In tests, it outperformed previous AI versions significantly. Accuracy rose dramatically with multiple research passes. The more it searched, the better it became. Just like a human expert, it adapts mid-process. Soon, it will connect to private databases. That means subscription-based and internal company data. It will also analyze confidential files securely. But OpenAI's vision doesn't stop with research alone. They plan to pair it with other agents. One example, an AI that books flights automatically. Another, a system that makes purchases intelligently. Combined, these agents could act completely autonomously. They could handle research, decision-making, and real-world tasks. Now comes the second major development. OpenAI is working on a hardware device. This project is led by Sam Altman himself, and it's being designed by Jony Ive. Yes, the same visionary behind iconic Apple designs. Their stated goal? Replace the smartphone entirely, not an accessory, not an incremental upgrade. A complete reimagining of human-device interaction. Early hints suggest a voice-first, AI-centered platform. It could recognize objects instantly through advanced vision. It could summarize messages before you even read them. It might book travel before you even ask. Funding is serious, possibly $1 billion allocated. This isn't a side experiment or casual project. They are building something meant to shift paradigms. Unlike today's phones, this device starts with AI. It's not about apps, it's about intelligence everywhere. Google and Apple are adding AI to devices, but Altman believes deeper change requires rebuilding entirely. An AI-first device would behave like a partner. It wouldn't keep you glued to a screen. Instead, it would blend seamlessly into daily life. Other companies have tried AI hardware before. Many failed due to bugs or poor design. But with OpenAI's software power and Ive's design talent, this project carries unusual potential for success. It could be wearable, pocket-sized, or entirely new. Whatever form it takes, it's meant to disappear. Technology would fade away, leaving only intelligence present. Deep research is already changing how we work. It turns scattered information into organized, actionable reports. It's like having a dedicated expert on call. And soon, that power could live in hardware. We're standing at a turning point in technology. Just as the iPhone changed everything in 2007, AI could redefine daily life once again. Not by making us stare at devices longer, but by letting technology fade into the background. The combination of deep research and new hardware could create a system that thinks, learns, and acts. One that handles complexity so you don't have to. One that turns raw data into clear decisions. One that frees you from endless app switching forever. So here's the question. Would you trust it? Would you hand over research, planning, and choices? Would you let AI act entirely on your behalf? For some, this is thrilling. For others, it's deeply unsettling. Either way, the shift has already begun. Deep research is live for early users today. The device may arrive in a few years, but the ideas driving them are here now. We're heading toward a world where intelligence is everywhere. And it's only getting smarter with each update. If you're excited or worried, drop your thoughts below. And subscribe, because the AI story is just starting. The next chapter could change your life entirely.